Connect with Mitul Shah, Head of Research at Reliance Securities, to discuss the auto sale dispatch numbers for the month of November that will come out today. Good to have you on board. And Digant, let's get in a sense as to what the outlook is on a month-on-month basis for passenger vehicles, what it is that you're expecting for two-wheelers as well as the tractor sales. Is it likely to remain a little bit muted?
Yeah, good morning. Definitely seasonally, a month post such a big festival, Hindu festival, Navratri and Diwali are considered to be the biggest period for auto industry in terms of sales volume. So post that, there is always decline in the range of 15 to 30% on a month-on-month basis, and the trend will certainly visible in this month also. YOY comparison may not be here meaningful because last year, this month, November had Diwali festival, so few volumes were supported by festival. However, on the other hand, there was a huge supply constraint for passenger vehicles, so base was very low. So on a YOY basis, there would be growth on most of the segments, but month on month, due to seasonality, we'll see decline in PV as well as two wheelers also.
Okay, the street is, of course, factoring in a decline when we talk about the November sales. That's for farm equipment. It's for EVs, PVs as well as two-wheelers. But Mitul, just building upon that point as well, as the numbers are trickling in, any channel checks if there's going to be a change in the pecking order for the automakers and their market share?
See, within auto segment, there is a positive surprises coming on the tractor side, though of course this segment is also have witnessed month-on-month decline post-festival impact. But it's compared to the numbers which state expecting for the tractor industry on a YOY basis, still despite last year there was a festival and this time no festival, YOY industry is coming more or less largely flat, or there might be marginal growth as against the state expectation of 5 to 10% decline. So this segment seems to be more promising, for from which Escorts and Mahindra would be benefited. On the other hand, commercial vehicle segment, due to ongoing infra activities by government as well as overall pickup, particularly in the bus segment side after this year becoming normalized post COVID. So commercial vehicle as a segment seems to be more promising, and this segment is not witnessing the slowdown which is faced by two-wheeler due to rural slowdown. So commercial vehicle Ashok Leyland seems to be also promising. And particularly on the other side of auto, that is auto ancillary, tire companies are going to be benefited largely because of the raw material price benefit. As we all know that crude prices corrected significantly, and nearly more than 50% of these companies raw material is based on the crude and crude derivatives. So we like tire companies most, C8, Apollo Tire, and on the auto side, Ashok Leyland, Mahindra Escorts.
Right. Thank you so much, Mitul, for taking the time out and joining in to give us a flavor of what you're expecting from the auto sales. And autos it was yesterday as well, which actually took the lead in the last hour of recovery. Look at M&M. That managed to spike up about nearly 4% at the session highs. There was Bajaj Auto, which made a decent move. And Hero MotoCorp, like Nikunj was highlighting after the management commentary, and the fact that they are hoping for a stronger rural recovery than earlier anticipated, that was another stock which was actually holding out in trade.